Let me quickly show you how to set up Cash App direct deposit. If you're trying to receive payments from your employer and you're trying to receive it directly onto your Cash App, in this video, let me show you how. Let's head over to Cash App. Once you're inside of the app, what you need to do is first of all order or get your Cash App card. If you don't have or have not yet linked your Cash App card to your Cash App, you won't be able to add in or set up direct deposit. To do so, you just need to tap on the wallet option, which is this option right here. And you'll need to enter in your information so that Cash App can send over the debit card that you just added in to your Cash App. Once that step is complete and you've now received your debit card, what you need to do is tap on the bank option on the bottom left of the screen, which will then take you to the money section. If you scroll down a bit, under more ways to make money, you'll see the option called direct deposit. You just need to tap on this option. Now there are two ways that you can add in a direct deposit. Either you need to provide your routing number or account number to your employer so that they can add it in and send it directly to your Cash App. Or second of all, if your employer is on Cash App, you can also search for them and then add in or log in to the payroll account. Now in case they are not on the Cash App, you'll see this routing number and account number. As soon as you tap on the direct deposit option, you'll need to fill up this form which says get direct deposit form. Once you fill in that form, you'll need to give this routing number and account number to your employer, and that way they can easily send over your paychecks or even direct deposits straight away into your Cash App. So that's the process on the way that you set up Cash App direct deposits. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to be back soon with more videos just like this.